Will the High Court's modification of a 2014 bail order bring relief to the accused? Will the High Court's modification of a 2014 bail order bring relief to the accused? Jharkhand HC overturns onerous bail condition that could have frustrated the purpose of granting bail. The petitioner was granted anticipatory bail in 2014 subject to certain financial conditions. The earlier order required the petitioner to pay 35,000 rupees each to 3 people and furnish a bail bond of 10,000 rupees. The High Court modified the bail order to prevent onerous conditions from frustrating the purpose of granting bail. No onerous condition should be imposed, as it would amount to granting bail with one hand and taking it away with the other. The Jharkhand High Court has modified a 2014 anticipatory bail order, observing that an onerous condition imposed while granting statutory bail could frustrate the very purpose of granting bail. The court noted that the petitioner had been granted anticipatory bail by a coordinate bench on 26 March 2014, subject to certain financial conditions. The earlier order required the petitioner to pay 35,000 rupees each to 3 people, besides furnishing a bank draft of 23,000 rupees in the name of another person. He was also required to furnish a bail bond of 10,000 rupees with 2 sureties for the like amount. The petitioner told the High Court that he could not arrange the requisite amount earlier and, consequently, could not surrender before the court within the stipulated time. He submitted that he had now arranged the amount and was ready to deposit it within a week, seeking 2 weeks' time to surrender. The state opposed the plea, pointing out that despite the privilege of anticipatory bail, the petitioner had not surrendered and that the original bail order dated back to 2014. The High Court, however, examined the nature of the condition imposed in the earlier order and observed that conditions must be based on sound judicial principles and should not be arbitrary or mechanical. The court noted that, in the present case, the petitioner had been unable to surrender because he could not arrange the amount stipulated in the earlier order. It also observed that there was no limitation for approaching the High Court under Section 482 of the CR.P.C, corresponding to Section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023. Taking note of the petitioner's submission that he had now arranged the requisite amount and would deposit it before the learned court within 1 week, the High Court extended by 2 weeks from 21st August the time for him to surrender before the court. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.